This is Damon Stevens, Fin Wealth Builders. Today is Tuesday, October 5th, 2021, and this is a stock market update for our trades today. And what a good market it was today. So hopefully you're able to take advantage of that and be profitable today. And hopefully these videos are helping you. If you look at our videos from last night, a lot of our stocks came in and actually made money today. So let's take a look at the charts and see what's going on. All right, so the Dow Jones closed up 0.92%, NASDAQ up 1.25%, and S&P 500 up 1.05%. So you can see we're on a nice little roller coaster here as we pulled into a recovery, and seems like we're kind of chopping our way back out of it, but it might not be over yet. So just be careful out there. You can see on our heat map that overall everything looked green. Obviously, utilities were down a little bit, real estate were down, but overall across the board, our FANG stocks and tech stocks, money came back in. So that's good to see. You can also see here on the charts, it's interesting how the market kind of popped up for the day and then kind of sold off at the end of the day. And you can see they kind of did that on every one of these indexes. SPY, I was really hoping to see it close up around this 436 to 437, hoping to just hold that, because they definitely show a sign that we are probably recovering and headed back north to new highs. But decided to pull back, which means the market has some different ideas. So just be careful out there. When you see this at the end of the day, where it kind of rallies all day and then pulls back, there's a reason for that, and it could be that we're just not quite done yet. So there could be some additional pullbacks to be worried about. So just be careful out there. Scanner BTBT was our top one, and BTBT has been on our list before. We've traded this back down when it was only a few dollars, and so it hit our scanner again today. And but I did not trade that one just because I had so many others on my list that looked good, and I also kind of want to finish out some of the ones that were hit our scanners earlier. So XENE was one that was a multi-day trade, and it looks like it gave us a little bit of a trade today as well. Not a whole lot on these ones that hit our scanner on Monday, but you can see here low was 28.67, high of 37.70. You have a pullback, double pullback here to 24.45 area, and then a run back up to 36.60, and now we pull back down and right on this 100. So we'd see this double bottom here. They gave us this rally back up. But we did not break this, but we did come into this resistance line, found resistance, and pulled back to the 100. Looking for a continuation plan on XCNE. Hopefully it gives us another day at least of a run on this. So I do like it that it's honoring all the support levels and also the structure of the stock. So that was a good trade. Fizz gave us another day. So that's nice that it'll get a multi-day trade. That way you're not chasing a whole bunch of stocks. You're able to focus on a few that are doing well and winning for you. So in this one, you see the low is 52.49, high 54.38. So it's like a huge rocket, but on a stock like this, getting $1 off of it, maybe $2 is good enough. And you see here at the end of the day, tried to pop up over resistance as well. Rallied up here and then pulled back, and it's on support here at this 54 level. So looking for a continuation again. See if Fizz will give us another day or two out of this stock before it pulls back and it comes off the list. Netflix was a big gainer today. It was awesome. We talked about this in our video last night, and actually, if you watched the video, even if you saw just the front page, Netflix was on the top of our list, and it did not disappoint. It was the low was under $600, so 594, high of 634. So just a rocket ride. If you caught any of this, you got a nice rocket ride. You got to pull back here to 634.81 onto the 20. We'll see if this continues. If it doesn't, we could have a retracement because this was such a rocket ride. It could retrace back down. I have it marked out here for 626, which is a spike that we had earlier on the 21st of October. So seeing if that may be a chance for, to pull back to support here if it does drop further. If not, let's see if we can continue on here and make new highs. Tesla continues to do well. It's consolidating, so it's very tight range right now. So there's a consolidation here. That 800's been big resistance area for it, but at least we're getting support down here around the 773 level. Looking for movement here, or we might just stay here for a while and we can just continue to scalp and day trade that area. Moderna, pull back again. Well, it's flat over. It's over the 100, which is good, but again, it's down here below these moving averages: the 50, the 10, the 5, the 20. So looking to see if it can give us. I tried trading this today, it just didn't give me anything. I mean, it got like 50 cents on it. So I just got out. I mean, I could have, if I stayed in, I probably could have got $2 or $3, but it was pretty choppy. So just wanted to stay clear of that. NVIDIA, a nice pullback here, found support at 198, rallied back up to 204. So nothing big, but on a stock like that, that's great. So we'll see if that can continue to run for us. BNTX, I thought was going to be running well. I stayed in this till the end of the day. Didn't give me a whole lot, but a little bit. But looking for a continuation here. We have a gap to fill, and I like how it bottomed out here, found support, and it's rallied back up here at the same level it was a couple of days ago. As far as the dollar is concerned, it's sitting in this channel here. So not much to say in that area. As far as the VIX did pull back here, still above the 20, but it found support down here around 21. Looking for that to hold and hopefully break below this 20 moving average and come back lower. So, but we've chased all the way down this breakdown candle here, and we pulled back up and we broke back down again. So, looking to see if that'll hold and get the market to continue to rally back up here. SPY pulled back a little bit, like we said, had a good morning, but pulled back at the end of the day. It is still above the 20 and the 10, so that's good. See if we can get a rally out of that. Definitely got to watch it. We do have a gap down here to fill at some point, so just need to keep an eye and be careful with this one for now. Triple Qs bounced off that support, rallied back up this breakdown candle. It spiked it, but then found resistance and it's below it. So we'll see tomorrow if we can get enough momentum here to pull above that and break out that over that resistance. And the same goes with the semiconductors as well. Same type of pattern on the charts. IWM running through here, just kind of stability, consolidating here, back and forth, looking for a direction here. It's going to break up north or down south. Based on just this weakness here that I've seen here, my guess is it may break down here south, but depends on what we see as far as activity and price action over the next few days. Financials in that same type of pattern, but it looks like it's breaking up towards the north. So this may rally and get us back over the 38 level here, maybe 39 or higher. So looking for that breakout. To the north side, XLE, so energy. Nice little continued gapping up here, showing a lot of strength here. It's at 56.65 would be this past high. Looking to break out that resistance and head towards 57.50 or 58. So looking for a breakout there. Gold you see here just flat under this resistance level. Needs to break out to continue going higher. Silver, same thing, right under this. It's consolidating right underneath this this resistance level. Bitcoin, we talked about this in our stocks as well as far as our nightly videos. That we're looking for a breakout of 48. We did get that breakout, and then we got a test of 49, broke through that, and I told you that we had a big old gap up as we're trying to chase up this candle here. You can see that it did succeed in that, hit resistance a little bit around, just short of 52,000, pull back a little bit, looking for a continuation plan, hopefully to get this thing right up to 53,000. And if we can break 53,000, then we can continue to go up towards 60,000. So looking for a good movement here over the rest of this week. Really bullish momentum. I'm liking it a lot, and just make sure you take profits. Going to start pulling out some of this just along the way here, just to make sure not too heavily leveraged in this stock. Ethereum, same thing. Nice in this channel here, but nice rally up here towards this resistance level we've had before. So that's looking good. XRP is looking good as well. It's stayed above the channel, closed up here. So now we can continue moving up towards 112 would be the next goal. And then Doge had a nice rally up here. It got up to 27 and pulled back down to 25 area. So we need to see if that can break back up and get above there. If so, we have the same situation that I talked about with the Bitcoin, this long breakdown candle that we can continue to climb up as we climb up towards that 31 level. So looking good, everything's looking good there. Again, keep taking out your profits along the way. Just stay safe here. Overall market, we haven't got out of the woods yet, but looking good today. So let's look for a continuation, but do be careful. Watch the open. I've seen that pull back at the end of the day today. Just kind of raised a red flag in my mind that maybe we got downside to go as tomorrow as well. But if we can hold the levels we're at now and move higher, then we're on our way to getting back to a bullish momentum. So stay safe out there. Everybody have a great night, and we'll talk tomorrow and review what's on the docket again and where we're headed for the rest of this week.